Hi guys, in this video, I want to show you how to use Optimizer's tools to optimize nesting. Firstly, select all the objects and hit Post Processor. Select Nesting Machine. Then select Nesting. Then select Run All to do nesting. The software is going to run a number of random nesting experiments and it's gonna stop automatically when it finds the best nesting outcome. In case you see that some sheets can still be re-optimized, then select the sheet, hold Shift key on the keyboard and select Others. Then hit Re-optimize Sheets. The software just runs nesting for those sheets. With this tool, small parts can be distributed to different sheets and also saves material. Nesting has been optimized with starting cutting point, directions of tool path, and the order of cutting. But with Optimizer, we still can use the tools here to adjust nesting. First, we use the mouse button in the middle to pan, and to move it, press the button and then move the sheet. This arrow shows the direction of cutting, and this point is the starting point where the tool drops and starts cutting. The numbers are the order of cutting. Here are the two rulers to draw guidelines. Left-click on the ruler and then type in the box with a value, or move the mouse and left-click to place the guideline. And I can use Rotate tool to rotate the part and then move it to the intersection point, and it's going to snap to that point. Next, to move a guideline, select the tool, hold left click on the guideline and move it, then drop it. And we can also duplicate a guideline. Select the tool, hold Ctrl key on the keyboard, left click on the guideline, then we release both the mouse and the Ctrl key. Type in the value or left-click to place. To delete a guideline, select the tool and left-click on the guideline. We can also clear all the guidelines by just selecting the tool, Clear All Guidelines. To deactivate a tool, hit Space key on the keyboard. Next, it's Properties tool. Select the tool, select the part. I can change the cutting starting point by selecting one. Change cutting direction, change part name or part group name. For some special parts, for example, glass door, I can choose to cut outside before inside. It means it cuts the outside part first before the inside one. I can also add tabs to keep the small parts still connected to the wooden board. For example, top and bottom, and apply. These are the two tabs, top and bottom. Next, it's Mirror tool. Select the tool and select the part to turn it over. Then it's Rotate tool. Select the tool, select the part, and hold left click here and rotate it. Numbering tool. Select the tool and select the parts in order of cutting. Next, we can show or hide some details. For example, title, number, or cutting starting point. I can add a blank sheet or delete a blank sheet. Select the sheet, then select the tool Remove Sheet. Next is Renesting. Select the sheet and select the tool Renesting. That sheet is under nesting again. Next, Tape Measure tool. Select the tool, left click on a point and then just move the mouse to another point to measure it. We can also remove a part. Select the tool and select the part to remove it. Rectangular. Here is the offcut sheet list. I can add a new part or an offcut sheet. Select the tool, left click, and then just drag it out. Double click to finish it, and then if it's an offcut sheet, tick the box and it's gonna be added to the list of cut sheets, or I create a new part. The polyline tool is quite the same. Left click to start drawing, another left click to make it align, and double click to finish. And the last one is search by ID. For example, I want to search 137, so type in the ID and it's gonna lead us to the sheet that has that part, and that part is in red. And after we finish, just go to Gcode, then download Gcode. So that is how we use Optimizer's tools to optimize nesting. Thank you for watching.